Have you ever wondered where premium strawberry juice begins?
This one requires real strength.
But the juice extraction is perfect. Wow, this is perfect. बहुत बढ़िया juice है. Well done, everyone. This is the best strawberry juice ever.
It's so good. I love bee strawberry juice.
Can we get more tomorrow? Look at that, it goes on forever. I know, it's beautiful. What a harvest.
Good morning, ladies. How are the berries looking today?
Доброе утро. Все хорошо.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. It is such a beautiful day out here.
It certainly is, Elena. Welcome back. Good morning, optimization, Mr. Ivanov. We are ready to begin.
Good morning, ladies.
It is a beautiful day for the harvest.
Here is the full payment for the harvest, optimization.
Thank you. The count seems correct. Until next season.
Here is the payment for the stand.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
It's all yours now, ladies. I trust you'll do a fine job.
Thank you, sir. We won't let you down.
For the harvest! Ура!
Осторожнее, не помню. Смотри, какой крупный. Да, этот хороший. Смотри, какая крупная. Этот урожай будет отличным. Да, надо собирать быстрее, пока солнце высоко. Молодцы!
He should be arriving any minute now. Did you finalize the reports?
Yes, they are all set for review.
Very good. Gentlemen, attention, please. It is so good to have you back. We missed you around here.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Confirmed. You are good to dock.
The pressure is rising too fast. I'm turning it, it's stuck! Keep going, slowly now.
All right, back to it, team. That was a nice compliment he got us. Yeah, let's show him what we can do.
get some, please? All right, guys, here is the freshest strawberry juice in the market. It looks so good. Thank you.